Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in the best way. Here is how. Open your search engine and type in on the search bar
https://chat.openai.com/chat.
sign in using your Google account or any email account you got. Warning: make sure every question you ask is direct and specific. I'm going to reveal the best ChatGPT application and how to use it. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. Now see how to ask question on ChatGPT. How to be successful. Now, do you want to uncover the hidden truth about ChatGPT? Click on the next video.